everyone, welcome back to Lash Therapy. My name is Maria, and in this video I'm going to be brow laminating my boyfriend's eyebrows during this pandemic just because there's nothing else for me to do. I'm super bored. So I do have two lash lift kits that I use in my studio, and I bought both of these off Amazon. They're around the same price, so you can find them on Amazon if you choose to purchase them. This one I bought first and I've tried it out. I actually like it. The only thing I just didn't like was the fact that the glue in the kit dries a lot slower than the glue in this kit right here. So I found that this glue is actually in this kit a lot better. This actually dries pretty quick. So yeah, so if you guys, want to buy a lash lift kit and use it for brow laminating, I've seen this on tons of videos on YouTube and how they just used a lift kit. Here are just a couple that I would recommend buying if you are on a budget. And so without further ado, let's jump into this video.